Hi, this is Brianna Hansen, and this is my overview tutorial for the Microsoft Create a Web API with ASP.NET Core and MongoDB. If we want to see just the API instead of the application interface, we can go to API/books. And then if we want to see just the individual book design patterns, we can put the ID number in and get just the information for that book. So we get an overloaded get method. On the application interface, we can go get everything out of the database and view it. So now we have all the books in the database. We can also go add a book to the database with a post. So the book name does need change to name, as we changed it in the tutorial. Let's do a book here, and let's give it a price. We'll just say $12.99. It's an adventure, and we'll give it the name here. And then let's go ahead and get an ID number from up here, and we're just going to change a digit so we have a unique ID number. Let's change that to a 4 and hit execute. And then we have a success down here. So if we scroll back up to our get method here, we can hit execute. And now we have our new book in the list. So let's go ahead and copy that to do the next step. We're going to close the update. We're going to close the create, do an update. So let's update this book. And then we're going to get this ID number and put it up here. And let's go ahead and change the price to $10.99, and maybe we'll make this a family book. And hit execute. So you can see now we have that it was executed. So we can go up here, back up to our get. Let's run that again. And now the price has been changed and it's family book. So we can also, let's close this and close this, and then let's open the get, and we can go search by just an ID, and then we pull back that book, and we can also go delete. So if we want to use that same ID, let's go hit execute, and that book has now been deleted. So we can go up to the get method, run it again, and that book is no longer in the list. And this is how the Books API with Microsoft tutorial works.